Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to select multiple files in Google Drive. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to select multiple files in Google Drive. As you can see, I'm clicking on a file and only one is being selected. Now let's try to select multiple ones. Well, the simplest option is to simply do like this right here, and as you can see, all the files have been selected. In case you want to select some individual files, what you can do is simply hit the control button and click on the items that you wish. Well guys, as you can see, I'm selecting multiple files individually. And the last option is simply clicking on the Ctrl A shortcut. I'm gonna enter it right now. And guys, that is it. That's how you select multiple files in Google Drive. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.